Today we're going to have a look at the new Furuno TimeZero Touch product. Okay, we're going to quickly show you the weather information that's unique to TimeZero Touch. The information itself comes down via Wi-Fi because it's got a built-in Wi-Fi router at the back. So press my main menu screen and go to weather. The service is completely free. You sign up to however much information you like, you can download them as regularly as you like, and you can get 16 days forecast in advance. Okay, so we've changed the weather screen here. We've got our plotter display. We've also got the timeline across the bottom. The timeline allows us to look forward into the future to give us a real forward-looking future forecast of what the weather might be like, where you're heading. So at the moment we've got no details on there. What I'm going to do is add on some layers so we can see what data we want to look at. So the first thing we want to look at is some pressure. So I touch my screen and I go to my weather data, and what we'd like to see, we'd like to see some weather. So there's some pressure. We've got our pressure bars pop up instantly there for us. The other thing that might be useful for us would be, I don't know, maybe air temperature. So we'll put on some air temperature there. It's coloured in my screen for me, showing me where it's hot and where it's cold. This now allows me to press my play button and I can replay the weather file directly on top of my chart plotter. So here we are, the pressure bars are changing, the air temperature is also changing as we're going along. I can pause at any moment and see the weather at a particular point by pressing the screen. And it gives me a detailed information about exactly what the weather is like at that exact point. Okay, we've had a look at the air temperature and the pressure here, but that's not always that useful. I want to see some other things. So the first thing I'm going to look at is some cloud coverage. Go onto my list, select cloud. So here we've got some big menacing clouds over the UK at the moment. Also I'd like to have a look at the wind strength. So go onto here, select wind there. So we've now got the wind feathers, we've got the cloud coverage, and we've got our pressure bars. And again I can press my play button and get a forecast over the top of my plotter. Okay, so we've had a look at cloud coverage. Now I'm going to look at the rain coverage. So I'm going to use my roto key to do this time. So I touch the roto key, select weather data, and go down and select rain. Even whilst the animation is active, I can change over and look at any details that I like which are available. The data that's available is enormously extensive, to the point that we can even have a look at plankton blooms out in the ocean.